now I would like to go into Sekumpul Waterfall. So it's really nice view over here. It's natural, a lot of trees. Yeah, this is the situation. Way to Sekumpul Waterfall. In here there is a small warung, so you can buy anything here. Coconut, soft drink, water. Yeah. Going to waterfall, going down. Okay, we got the ticket, so let's go. So, but the way to waterfall, it's really amazing. Okay, the way is like this. Wow. Okay, the way like this. Like 20 minutes going down, so we arrive. Let's see. It's really nice view. Going to the river. Oh, there is a bridge. Small bridge in the river. Please go. Artish close open. Fiji. There is, yeah, I like this one. Village. Okay. So the river, the water is clean. It's very clean. But the small bridge. Look at here. This one. Oh. So guys, after 30 minutes going down, finally, let's see. It's not moment. So, like this one. Yeah. Woo. Really nice. Oh. So this is the waterfall. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for support this video. Thank you. Bye.